The alarm blares at 5 a.m. on a Tuesday, slicing through the quiet darkness. The plan was ambitious. Wake up early, meditate, write, hit the gym, and start the day with purpose. But today, exhaustion wins. The energy from Sunday's optimism is gone, replaced by a heavy fatigue that clings to your body. The grand vision for change feels impossibly far away, almost like a dream you can barely remember. Each small negotiation, 10 more minutes, skip the gym, maybe just rest a little longer, chips away at your resolve, quietly eroding your intentions. Without a system, the day unravels before it even begins, slipping through your fingers before you're fully awake. The goals remain, written somewhere in a notebook or on your mind, but the drive to pursue them has vanished into the morning haze. Most resolutions die quietly, not in dramatic failure, but in the comfort of the snooze button and the warmth of the covers. It's not weakness, it's the absence of a structure to lean on, a routine to guide you when motivation fades. Motivation is fleeting, and today, it's nowhere to be found. The spark that once felt so bright is now just a faint ember. The gap between who you want to be and who you are feels immense, almost insurmountable in this moment. Without a system, even the best intentions fade away, leaving only the memory of what could have been. Change starts with a spark. New shoes, a plan, excitement. There's a rush of hope, a sense that this time will be different. You feel ready to rewrite your story, fueled by the promise of a fresh start. For a week, you're unstoppable. Progress feels real. Each day, you check off another win, and your confidence grows. The momentum is thrilling, and you start to believe you finally cracked the code. Then life intervenes. Work stress, family emergencies, bad weather. Unexpected obstacles pop up, and your perfect plan starts to wobble. Suddenly, the world feels like it's working against you. The new habits become burdens, then sources of guilt. What once felt exciting now feels heavy, and you start to dread the routines you once loved. Quitting isn't a single decision. It's a slow fade. One skipped run, then another. The missed days quietly pile up, almost unnoticed at first. The chain breaks, and restarting feels impossible. Each day away makes the return seem harder, and the gap widens. Guilt outweighs effort, and rationalizations creep in. I'm not a morning person. I'll start next month. Excuses multiply, and self-doubt grows louder. We overestimate motivation and underestimate life's friction. The daily grind wears us down, and we forget that obstacles are part of the journey. Willpower fades, and when it does, the system collapses. Without support, even the strongest intentions crumble. The real problem isn't desire, it's relying on emotion to drive action. Feelings are fleeting, and they can't carry you through the hard days. When motivation disappears, so does progress. The routines unravel, and your goals slip further away. The anatomy of quitting is a series of small surrenders. It's not dramatic, but it's relentless. Tiny choices that add up over time. Success requires more than a good mood. It demands structure, resilience, and a plan for when motivation runs dry. Without a system, habits die quietly. They slip away before you even realize they're gone. The fire of change needs more than inspiration to survive. It needs a foundation, something stronger than fleeting motivation, to keep burning bright. We idolize willpower, grit, hustle, pushing through. But willpower is unreliable, a resource that runs out. Everyone faces fatigue, doubt, and distraction. The myth is that you should feel strong every day. When you don't, you blame yourself, not your strategy. The real issue isn't your character, it's your method. Willpower can't fuel a marathon. It's not meant for the long haul. The most successful people design their environment for success. They build systems that work even when motivation fails. Consistency comes from design, not from heroic effort. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. This simple truth is often overlooked, but it's the foundation of lasting change. Goals are destinations. Systems are the vehicles that get you there. You can dream of any place you want to go, but without a reliable vehicle, you'll never arrive. On good days, motivation helps you move forward. On bad days, when motivation fades, it's your systems that keep you on track and moving, even when you don't feel like it. Success is determined by what you do when you're tired and uninspired. It's the habits you fall back on when energy is low that shape your results over time. A good system is a safety net, a default path that requires little thought or effort. It's there to catch you when your willpower runs out. Without a system, you're left to the whims of your mood and the unpredictability of your feelings, making consistency almost impossible. Like a pilot in a storm, you need instruments, systems, to guide you safely through uncertainty and distraction. Design your systems when you're motivated, so they carry you when you're not. Build them strong enough to support you on your toughest days. Make the right thing the easy thing. Remove barriers so that good choices become automatic, not a struggle. Systems automate decisions, reducing friction and freeing up your mental energy for what matters most. Instead of needing willpower, you just follow the next step. The process becomes almost effortless. Even on your worst days, a good system keeps you moving forward, making progress possible no matter how you feel. Progress is built on structure, not on fleeting feelings. Build your systems, and your systems will build your success. Systems aren't complicated. They're simple routines and tweaks to your environment. The goal: make good habits obvious and easy, bad habits hard. Want to work out? Lay out your gym clothes the night before. Want to save money? Automate transfers to your savings account. Want to eat healthy? Prep snacks and meals in advance. Each system removes decisions and lowers resistance. The easier the action, the more likely you'll do it, even when tired. Systems are small acts of kindness to your future self. They make progress possible on your lowest energy days. The path of least resistance should lead to your goals. That's the power of a well-designed system. The best systems make good habits the default. Your environment already shapes your choices, so shape it for your benefit. Want to read more? Put a book by your bed, not your phone. Want to drink more water? Keep a full bottle on your desk. Want to avoid junk food? Don't keep it at home. One smart decision at the store prevents hundreds of temptations later. Checklists automate routines. No thinking required when you're tired. This isn't about rigidity, it's about freeing your mind for what matters. Default good behavior means your best choice is always the easiest. Build a runway for your habits to take off automatically. Let your environment do the heavy lifting. Here's a practical system. A 5-part daily checklist. Body, mind, money, relationships, creation. One tiny action for each. For body, 10 push-ups or a short walk. For mind, read 1 page or meditate for a minute. For money, check your account or note 1 expense. For relationships, send a quick text to someone you care about. For creation, write a sentence, snap a photo, jot an idea. Even on your worst day, you can do these. You refuse to let the day be a zero. Progress, no matter how small, keeps you moving forward. Doubt and weak days are inevitable. But with a system, quitting is optional. Build routines and environments that support you. Let your system carry you when motivation can't.